answer. But there's another worrying trend that me pesa me do adwen che wo ho. Said there be a betra ha ayeka. Amay me free ha wo free ha ntimi nya adwuma no wo free ha ntimi ne nya adwuma e ade a se be gidi sansesan adwene wo ho a yentimi nya mpuntu a yehwe asoman yehwe Rwanda we ye Tutsini we ye Hutuni ene de sa mentime ho ase nyina ba Rwanda Ghana hakra ye hunu okọ Sanja Nanja hakra ye hemfa
Sanja Nanja me adwura ayo baby Atebu. Yeah.
So Yabesha, Nananom, Yetmin, so he's still the member of parliament for the area. MMDC's list here, enemy. I mean, Emramete, very worrying press conference, Bia, a course or tema. TMA. One much they say, a dear, or Matiso Mampeni Babe Bono, one young cranny, and T1 and anonymous for no chess, only Timino and Yeduma. Or TME, and I feel that it's quite worrying.
Okay, we Mr. Pandi couldn't have a taxi. There's a taxi Benyansa phone. What we say, we cannot also do a manual without considering some of these things that Nananomoso Eka. No Ukraine say the regional ministers there and men for us. New Montefone Kenya as for of you local and your local. So regional ministers there come because they will be with another Mr. Madaro Moti. But Mercy Cratch there. May I have it is very unfair for me to go and be the MCE for a locality in the Volta region. It's very unfair.
No matter how long you've
very okay. No matter
how long you've lived with
regional minister is okay. Regional minister is very okay. Yeah, this year necessary di akonyo. About this DC is MC is now. No. You have lived there, no respect for over 30 years, 40 years. Well, that could be another consideration. But see, kappa to me, local there. I am mentioning cratch for there. As I say, consider. Said kromani Anna. If you my Rollins name say at time it was a John Mahama. I'm say I don't know. They tried. Rollins tried. I will change it. Regional ministers know the fry to fry. Vote now kwa Ashanti now but say kwa.
Because Mekai pass 2009.
But these are regional ministers. Local MMDCs there. Don't go there. You just an anonymous case of mobile more uncomfortable with your governance. We should appreciate the institution of chieftaincy. Asam Nabo, they wield too much power. They can declare areas no-go area for this country. Asam Naba, ena ahimfubinomo, ama tokuraba de dahinye ho. Ana neye timikura challenge ahimfusimo moka. Asam Naba, ana with times no, krobia nyini, it is so humbiaba. And Kananam soon come on by a press conference. Kananam Suba Kokukum, and yes, see a hini for so I couldn't come. Sometimes when young paying for more bem so imagine for my so person chess or power was also a power. It is our chrono and I mentioned Munya development that because just any power. Also the main that tradition is too large the media. Now I'm a case any now if you so it must say we cry the young comma ABI 10 biasa. Messi, ideally, when it's about MMDC is needed, ideally to me, I think that it is fair that addition Nankase will Kurumono be highly considered. When it's about regional ministers, I don't care, say, vote your neighbor a half. No, I'll be changing the dynamics in a half. I'm a half. And look at Basana. On show be or baso be yejuma so what I say but a chrome no local ne yema chrome man ankasa intimi enmo no mo nkomani mese nananam say o madaro ma wa hombrasim enye obia nye bibia na nananam yesi akokon to bedwemo we no kanya press conference asem ebi omo so mo di ya wache ba enye press conference asem mesere omo eni die mu pa nsem bi say no omo nkɔhye kokuom na omo ne yesi ahenefo no Ira dambo tweni osafo mafumo ne mampanyin ankasa entina se chief of staff na mo fa mo adwene to an yen nyesa sebe ebinim so mo adwene no ntiase nya adwuma ntem no omo so nchiremu no
mama hene so say ne ekoso TM no there's some background to it.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Politicians be interest.
No, I'm saying no. Let's not even jump into those conclusions.
Yeah,
I'm saying it's so sensitive a matter. But to be fair to the situation, nipa no also omoyi no anaso omatis ye be no. I'm sure something can be worked around it. If na it cannot be worked around that. It's a party for paying for, and the constituency paying for. If the person indeed has served the community or the constituency for long and was demonstrating a need here for the stool, why not? But normally, the status quo has always been that men seeing crash for any day. Untimin kofa me a certificate of no kofa obi free damango. Say a certificate of it is a certificate of crooning in ano. When that this year be our certificate of I do be free damango na babe a certificate of men seeing crash. I totally disagree.
Kwamna asema o say what if free pop.
Kwamna free pop dey say me kroma o. Ebi na wo yam yi o.
At June FM, all the hits and more.